thunderstorm was located over Weoguska, moving southeast at 5 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with
Wow.
gusts and quarter-size hail. Source,
Where is this coming from?
impact, hail damage
What?
to vehicles is expected.
Hello?
Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Weoguska,
What?
Stewartville, Hanover, Unity, Bradford, Hatchet, and Bentleyville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following county: Coosa, Alabama.
Jeez. Holy crap.
The current time is 7:35 p.m. Central
Okay,
Daylight
then.
Time. Excessive rainfall is expected. Where? A portion of central Alabama, including the following counties: Calhoun, Etowah, and St. Clair. When? Until 10:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time.
Flood warning.
Impacts. Expect many areas of slow-moving or standing water. It will take several hours for all the water from these storms to work through local drainage systems in urban areas.
Oh shit.
Additional details at 7:45.
East Alabama is getting impacted now already. Earlier it was like Walker County. Now it's Calhoun and all that. How? Also, why aren't you going off?
Between 2 and 3 inches.
The Redicus is not going off.
Some locations that will experience flooding include
I'm gonna have to move it to like the other room probably.
Oaks Bluff, Sachs, Fort McClellan, Glencoe, Weaver, Ohatchee, Alexandria, Jacksonville State University, Gadsden Mall, Neely Henry Lake, Southside, Sulphur Springs, Wellington, Cobb City, Big Wills Creek, and Gadsden Steam Plant. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. Stay away or be swept away. River banks and culverts can become unstable and unsafe.
Fuck.
A strong thunderstorm will impact portions of south central Talladega and northern Coosa counties through